I got this freaky dog next to me at my friend's house, dude. This is freaky dog. Like, bro, we got this freaky dog. Look. Look. Look at it. Look. That dog is showing some love to a rolled up blanket, bro. Bro is clapping imaginary cheeks. Who says this is human? If you say this is human, it's not. I mean, it wasn't human to begin with, it's a dog, but like, genuinely panting so hard. Here. Come on. Yep. No. Don't be freaky again.